video ay nanonood tayo ng Sofia the First. Keep on loving you, sadyang di ako. Ang layo ko yung Furnace. Furnace guys, ang layo.
Talk to animals.
Oh, that is great, kid. Because there's a few things that about.
Clover, not now.
Ayan.
She needs to get dressed for school.
Nasa
It's
baba yan ng
okay,
TV.
Clover. Tell me.
Whoa. You over here to personal space, Mama? Put me down.
Oh, sorry. You're just so cute and cuddly. I couldn't help it.
Yeah, well, please, help it.
Isa, balik ako dito. Sa inuupuan ko. Ayan guys, balik na rin natin. Ayan mga ka-person, oh. Ano kayo dyan, diba? Oh. Diyan ko inano kanina. Zoom ko lang. Ayan, diyan ko inano. Ayan, zoom ko lang ha guys. Diyan ko pinatong. Tapos, walang zoom. Wait lang. Lumayo lang ako sa dyan. Ayan. I don't know zoom. O, diba guys? Yan lang kami. Kumain na ba kami? Kumain na ba kayo? Sige guys, kumain kami. Nakakain pa katapos na lang.
It really isn't much, not too much for us to ask. After helping you daily with each little task.
Ganda na naman yan. Ganda naman kami. Guys, kakain tayo ulit sa Santol. Biyang uwi. Ito na naman ang ating panibagong pagkain ng Santol. Ayan guys, yung pinapanood namin. Kuha lang tayo isa. Lang tayo ng wow. Dalawa na pala. Let's go, let's eat it. Hey guys, open muna natin. Laki naman lang tayo ng tubig. Nauuhaw na ako. Sarap. Open na this. Stop muna natin. At then guys, lahat bubuksan natin. Kuha tayo ng isang plat dito. Para kumuha tayo ng asin na hindi maangkat. Let's go na guys. Wait lang. At ay guys, nakainin na natin sila. Ang OA.
We shall see about that.
Ang cute niya. Ay mo na eh.
Google, excellent.
Wait lang.
Follow my lead, if you dare.